Welcome back to the channel. If you've been looking for a way to simplify your trading on Deriv, you are in the right place. Today, I'm showing you a powerful automated approach using the Pivot Core platform. We're diving into a specialized even odds strategy designed for consistency. The goal for today's session is clear. We're going to run 10 trades with a target of winning at least 5 of them. This isn't about getting rich overnight. It's about smart, automated execution and disciplined targets. As you can see on the screen, Pivot Core makes the setup incredibly simple for Deriv traders. We've selected the even-odd market here. The beauty of auto trading is that it removes the emotional guesswork that often leads to losses. I've configured the bot to analyze the digit flow before entering a position. By setting our parameters early, we ensure the bot follows the plan exactly. Whether you are a beginner or a seasoned pro, having a tool that executes your logic 24/7 is a game changer for your portfolio. Let's watch the bot in action. We are aiming for a 50% win rate today to hit our session goal. Watch how the bot enters the trades based on the digit patterns. You'll notice that even when a trade doesn't go our way, the system stays calm and moves to the next opportunity. This is why auto trading is so effective. It sticks to the math. Pivot Core is designed to handle these fluctuations seamlessly, giving you a smooth experience without needing to click buy or sell manually every few seconds. And there we have it, 10 trades completed, and we hit our target of 5 wins. By hitting our 50% mark with the right money management, we've secured a successful session. This is exactly why traders are moving toward platforms like Pivot Core. It bridges the gap between the Deriv market and smart automation. It's fast, reliable, and gives you the professional edge you need to stay ahead of the volatility. If you want to take your trading to the next level and stop manual clicking, you need to check this out. I've left all the details and the link to get started in the description below. Don't forget to like this video if you found the strategy helpful and subscribe for more automated trading insights. Let's grow those accounts together. See you in the next one.